Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Ethereum move from proof of work essential for the network crypto as it says. The Ethereum blockchain's transition away from its proof of the work (POW) mechanism is necessary for the network to expand, according to Brian Norton, Chief Operation Officer of My Ether Wealth, an app-aware investor which is Ethereum native token. Norton said on the CoinDesk TV's first mover. So on Thursday, the Ethereum's ability to sustain its growth with the POA consensus mechanism is not going to be able, and say the method isn't energy efficient. In order for Ethereum to move with the ecosystem and continue to be the leader and remain true to its principles of being open and permissionless, a transition out of proof of work is absolutely going to be essential, Norton said. Norton's comment come as Ethereum prepares to switch to a proof of stake (PUI's) method of maintaining its network and validating transactions with a software updates known as the merge. According to developers, the proof of the stake mechanism is more efficient and safer than proof of work. Norton says the update may be upside further down the road, perhaps until next year if the merge doesn't go as planned. It is supposed to go live next month. As the merge process, Norton said institutional adoption will likely increase, especially as users begin to better understand what the change will mean for the blockchain. Institutional investors now appear to be bullish about the merge peeling into the Ether-based funds. Norton said about it, the merge takes longer than expert. Users and the investors could grow roots and pull out. Norton said the merge will provide a user a smart contract between POI and the POIs and could even affect Bitcoin (BTC). Now you have another potentially deflationary asset in the crypto space that is more energy efficient and has more use cases, Norton said. Of Ether, the Bitcoin network, on the other hand, has been designed for the exchange of its native token, which could resonate more with the users who view the token as a store of value. Norton said that most users are not going to see a thing following the merge, but that the price of Ether will likely surge as it has done this summer. And according to the developers, the proof of the stake mechanism is more efficient and cheaper than proof of work. Norton says the update may be passed further down the road, perhaps until next year if the merge doesn't go as planned. It is supported to go live next month. As the merge process, Norton said institutional adoption will likely increase, especially if users begin to better understand what the challenge will mean for the blockchain. Institutional investors now appear to be bullish about the merge. Getting into the ETH-based fund, Norton said, but if the merge takes longer than expected, users and investors could grow released and pull out. Norton said the merge will be provide a user a set contract between POV and POIs and could even affect Bitcoin BTC. Norton said the merge will provide the user a set contract between POI and the POIs and could even affect Bitcoin BTC. Now you are another potentially deflationary asset in the crypto space that is more energy efficient and has more use cases, Norton said of the Ether. The Bitcoin network, on the other hand, has been designed for the exchange of its native token, which could resonate more with the user who view the token as a store of the value. Norton said that most users are not going to see a thing following the merger, but the price of Ether will likely surge it has done the summer. Okay, well, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.